Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Vlad, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing a mystery gadget box that was sent to me by a company called Gadget Club. Now the video is not sponsored by them in any way. They have just supplied the item for review, and all the opinions expressed in this video are my own. So let's jump right in. Gadget Club is an Australian subscription box company that launched in 2020, and the way it works is you subscribe to their service and they send you a mystery gadget box once a month. There are different tiers of subscription that you can get, including a month-to-month, 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription. Basically, the longer you subscribe for, the cheaper it works out. Now, the company hasn't done a lot of marketing or advertising so far, and to be honest, I had never heard of them until they contacted me asking me if I wanted to review a mystery gadget box. And to be 100% honest, I was a little bit skeptical at first because their website is a little bit vague and there's no information on their social media channels, so there wasn't any way for me to 100% verify them. But it turned out to be a real company and they have sent me something, so we will find out shortly what it is. After doing a Google search, it seems that YouTube is filled with mystery gadget box reviews, but I had never heard of them as we didn't have a service like that here in Australia. And the Gadget Club website is a little bit vague when it comes to telling us what gadgets you are subscribing to, but they also claim that 10,000 customers are enjoying their gadgets. There are also some images of Apple devices on their website banner, but I highly doubt that we would be getting any items of high value. They also appear to offer 14-day returns if you are not satisfied with the gadget that you have received. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, that's interesting. It appears to be a charger, or basically a combination charger, a wireless charger, and it allows you to charge your phone, your headphones and your watch. Now let's take a closer look at this package. So it says wireless charging stand, mainly for iPhone 11 or above, plus iWatch series plus AirPod series. So it's a 3-in-1 charger. I have been thinking about getting a wireless charger that will charge all of my devices, my phone, my headphones and my watch. So this is kind of a nice surprise, but it does say here that it's mainly for iPhones and Apple Watch and AirPods, and I don't have any of those. So based on the information on this box, it doesn't look like it will work with the Samsung products, but we will give it a try. All right, let's open this up and have a look. So right off, we've got a USB Type-C to USB-A cable, and then we have the charging stand itself. As you can see, you've got your position for the phone, for the headphones and for the watch. And on the headphone position, there is a lightning connection cable. So it's not actually technically wirelessly charging the headphones. It still requires you to plug them in. And there's just a little user guide in the box. It also doesn't appear to be any particular brand. It's kind of like a no-name brand, so just a generic brand. So it kind of is a little bit disappointing that you won't be able to charge headphones there unless you're an Apple user. But let's plug this in and see how it goes with the phone. Got a USB-C connection here. And I'm just going to test my Samsung watch, even though it says it's only for Apple devices, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so my phone is charging wirelessly, which is good. It also says that it's fast wireless charging, so that's a bonus, as some of these aftermarket wireless chargers don't really do a good job at fast charging, but the watch does not appear to be charging at all. There's nothing coming up on screen. It is not being detected. So it appears that you can only charge your phone and not your watch or your headphones unless you're an Apple user. And it is a little bit disappointing that I can't fully utilize this gadget, but I guess with a mystery box, as the name implies, it is a mystery. You don't know what you're getting until you open up the box. And it's good that they offer a 14-day return if you're not happy with the gadget. So let me know what you guys think of this mystery box in the comments section below. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's worth it? And would you be interested in a mystery gadget subscription box? Well, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help my channel. I'll see you in the next one.